Hello friends, let us draw the mango by using easy step. For that, click on ellipse, draw the elliptical shape, go to arrange, click on convert to curve. The shortcut key is Ctrl Q. Click on shape tool, select the whole shape, click on cups node for proper adjusting the shape. Double click on unwanted node, or you can also select and press delete from keyboard. Now click on this handler and just move the handler inside. Let us adjust the shape like a mango with the help of handlers. Okay, like this you can easily create the shape. Then go to interactive fill tool, click on the shape, drag the mouse. Here you can choose the color orange and one more, suppose green color. You can also create a leaves. You can again use ellipse tool, draw the shape like this. Again Ctrl Q, then go to shape tool, select the shape, click on cups node. Let us click on this handler and create a shape like leaves. Okay, like this. Now click on green color. To remove the outline of this shape, click on the shape, go to the top of the color palette. On this cross sign, right click to remove the outline. Here also same process. Now you can place here the lip, click at the middle and just with the help of handler rotate the shape. You can also copy paste this shape, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Click on the horizontal mirror. Okay, then right click on this shape, click on order, back of the page. Now let us create a one more shape. Click on freehand. You can directly draw here the line. Go to the property bar, choose the pixel, 3 pixel. Then right click on the color. Suppose here we want brown color, or you can also give the dark red color. For this, click on the color and drag, click the mouse on the color, there it will show the shades, and like this you can create a shape. But here use right click. Now let us arrange this shape. We don't want this node. Again right click this shape, or you can also use Control End key. Now you can place this properly. Okay, like this with the help of some basics tool you can use a, or you can easily create a shape. This is a mango.